How to sign up Claude 3.5. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up Claude 3.5. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Claude 3.5 Sonnet sets new industry benchmarks for graduate-level reasoning, undergraduate-level knowledge, and coding proficiency. It shows marked improvement in grasping nuance, humor, and complex instructions, and is exceptional at writing high-quality content with a natural, relatable tone. Now, to sign up, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude 3.5 Login. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. You will then be led to the login portal. In here, you will see two options on how you can sign up. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can simply log in by entering your email address. Choose the option that suits your preference the best. I will sign up using my email address. So, if you are signing up with email address too, then go ahead and enter your email address in the text box you see there and tap on Continue with Email button. Claude will now send you the verification code in the email address you entered. So, go ahead and open your mail from Claude and then tap on the Sign In to Claude AI option you see there. You will now be asked to enter your mobile number. So, go ahead and enter your mobile number and then tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox and further tap on the Send Verification Code button and enter your verification code. Once entered, you will be successfully signed up to Claude 3.5. So, this is how you can sign up Claude 3.5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.